Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make ginger probiotic. First, gather your ingredients: fresh ginger, sugar, and filtered water. You will also need a clean glass jar and a breathable cover. We'll start by preparing a ginger bug, which is essential for fermentation. This natural starter culture will give your drink its probiotic power and characteristic fizz. It's a fun and rewarding process. To create your ginger bug, grate about 2 tablespoons of fresh ginger and mix it with 2 tablespoons of sugar. Place this into a clean glass jar, then add 1 cup of filtered water. Stir well to dissolve the sugar. Cover the jar with a cloth and secure it with a rubber band. For the next 5 to 7 days, feed your bug daily with 1 tablespoon of grated ginger and 1 tablespoon of sugar until it becomes bubbly and active. Once your ginger bug is active, prepare a batch of sweetened ginger tea. You'll need about 8 cups of cooled tea, sweetened to your preference. Strain 1 cup of your active ginger bug into the tea mixture. Pour everything into a large, clean jar, ensuring you leave at least 1 inch of headspace. Cover it again with a breathable cloth and let it ferment at room temperature for 2 to 3 days, tasting periodically for fizziness. After the first fermentation, strain the liquid to remove any ginger pieces. Transfer your ginger probiotic into airtight glass bottles, leaving about 1 inch of headspace in each. You can allow a second fermentation for 1 to 2 days at room temperature for extra fizz, but be sure to burp the bottles daily to release pressure. Once it's fizzy enough, refrigerate your drink to slow down fermentation. Remember to check the description for a link to some great deals, including those amazing darn tough socks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.